How to use filters to search for schools on AffordableHousing.com.
When searching for properties, there's a variety of different filters that you can utilize when finding your next home.
One of our great features is being able to filter for schools. On the search page, on the left-hand side where you'll see the map reflecting where the properties are, click on the button that says Schools. You can select different schools such as private, public, charter, elementary, middle, and high school. You can also select from GreatSchools Ratings. The schools reflected within the selections you've made in the schools filter will then reflect on the map. You will be able to see where the schools are located in reference to properties that are also nearby. You can get some quick information about the schools by clicking on their individual icons. You can also see the jurisdiction that the schools fall within highlighted in green when you click on the schools. Here, you're able to see what housing options will fall within that school's jurisdiction to help make it easier to decide where to live if you're looking at that school. This feature is perfect for families with children searching for great schools in the area that they are hoping to move to.
Now you can make your property search even better by searching for schools while searching for your next home.